Hey guys, it's Sis, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the DIY One Piece wall. It's one of my favorite animes, guys. Like, I'm still watching it. There's so many seasons, but I ordered these off Amazon. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to put it on the back side of the door inside the closet of mine. And I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to put it up. So I'm going to need a pair of scissors, and I'm going to be using this double-sided tape that I got off Amazon, and this is the first time I'm going to be using it, so we're just going to be testing it out for the first time. So before I start putting it up on the door, I'm just checking to make sure that it will fit properly. Okay, so I just put Luffy up. Oh my god, I love him. Oh my god, Ace! Y'all know who I'm talking about. Then I got Nami. Then Chopper. Then Nico Robin. And I'm just showing you guys how I put it on 4 sides. Just like a good amount of the tape on each side of it. And I had to put it on top of the other poster because my knob was getting in the way. Then Usopp. And there you go, Sanji. And if you guys know the anime, they're actually part of like a pirate crew. So I didn't put like the original ones all up there. I kind of mixed and matched who I really wanted inside the closet. That's just my preference. Sorry about that, but this is what it looks like so far. I know, it looks so cute. I'm so excited that I did this. I just put lights around it to just make it look more, aesthetic looking. And my mom came into my room and looked at it, and she's like, oh my god, it's pretty, but that's not practical, Sybil. You can't have lights up in your closet. It won't close properly. You can get electrocuted or something. I'm like, Mom, I'm just using it for the video. Okay? That's why I did inside my closet, because it can't be seen. And here's the final results. So I just really liked how it turned out. It sticks properly to my door. And I just think I did a really good job, and like the lights make it look kind of cool too.
Oh, I'm so proud of myself.
Yes, honey. So I got this double-sided tape off of Amazon, and I'm gonna put the link down below if you guys want to buy it. Okay, so I didn't show the part that I put on the front side of the door. Sorry, I forgot to film that part. But this is what the front part looks like. And now this makes me want to actually go inside my closet. This is so cool. Like,